Pro-Chancellor, the Vice-Chancellor, the Deputy Vice-Chancellors, the Bursar, the University Librarian, Principal Officers, Pros, Deans, Directors, members of Senate, to invite the Vice-Chancellor, Chairman of Senate, Professor Dido, to declare this third inaugural lecture open.
I want to thank you for finding time to join us at this inaugural lecture. As far as I'm concerned, we've just started, and I want to assure you that inaugural lectures will remain part of the history of Nile University at a time when very few universities are able to mount inaugural lectures. We believe in research, we believe in dissemination of information, we believe in collaboration, we believe in cooperation. Therefore, the best way we can share knowledge with others, especially those in industry and in governance, is through public lectures and inaugural lectures. I want to thank the management, especially the Board of Trustees of Nile University, led by Mr. John Vermatin, for supporting high-quality education deployment, for supporting research and innovation, for supporting public lectures and inaugural lectures. I want to again, at this point, welcome you warmly as we prepare to listen to the erudite lecture this afternoon. God bless you. Thank you.
Professor Chigozie Enwere was the pioneer head of the Department of Political Science and International Relations at Nile University of Nigeria, Abuja. He is a member of the Nigerian Political Science Association and the British International Studies Association, organizations committed to advancing the study of global politics and international relations through research, teaching, and scholarly collaborations. The Pro-Chancellor, sir, the Vice-Chancellor, I present to you this day Nile University of Nigeria's third inaugural lecturer for his presentation.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, sir, permit me to stand on the existing protocol. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to deliver the third inaugural lecture of Nile University, Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, Department of Political Science and International Relations. So there are two constitutional revolutions. The Eurocentric model. The Eurocentric model is characterized by a revolution that is carried out from ideological point of view. When you ask about Africa, they will still give you the same conceptualization that Africa is underdeveloped. The question is, when will Africa develop? The context of revolution in Africa is emancipation from neo-colonialism, which I defined as the structural reconfiguration for the emancipation of Africa from neo-colonialism. I have published several works on African revolution and African politics. But one of my books, which I published in Germany by Gada Village, Germany, in 2020, titled Issues in African Revolution, was listed in WordCat, the world's largest library catalog in the world. Why? Because it was a new concept that they want to understand. Revolution is not to remove the government in power. The revolution is about structural reconfiguration of the international system to emancipate Africa from the webs of neocolonialism. In my recommendation today, you see that African nations can liberate themselves if we Africans can come together. The Pro-Chancellor, sir, I thank you for the opportunity, and I thank the university management for this opportunity. Finally, thank you so much for listening to me.
It is my single honor and privilege, well appreciating your contributions to the success of this program, declare the third inaugural lecture of Nile University closed. Thank you so much.